Today's episode is Classic Kitty Pulls the Fire Alarm / Suspended / Grounded. Requested by at Classic Kitty Channel. Enjoy the show.
Good morning, class. Today, we will be doing some math.
No, I don't want to study math. I want to study biology.
Oh no!
No, Classic Kitty. We are not doing biology today. We are going to do some math. If you complain one more time, you will be suspended. Got it?
Okay, fine.
Good. Now let's start. So, who knows the answer for 10 plus 9?
The answer is 19.
Well done, Kitty. Now, let's move on to something a bit trickier. So, who knows what's 20 plus 4, then divided by 2?
20 plus 4 is equal to 24. And when you divide it by 2, the answer is 12.
Well done, David.
16 minutes later. Man, I don't want to study math. I hate math. It's too boring. I wish I could somehow get out of this.
No!
Ha 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 ha. I've just got an incredible idea. I'm going to pull Dawn on the school fire alarm. All I have to do is ask Mrs. Angela to go to the bathroom. Then, my mischievous plan can begin. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no!
Hey, Mrs. Angela, may I please go to the bathroom, please?
Oh no!
No, you may not.
Why not?
Because I already know you are up to no good.
But Mrs. Angela, it's really urgent. I really have to go right now. Unless you want me to flood this place.
Okay, fine. You can go. But you only have 5 minutes to go there and come back.
Yay! Thank you so much, Mrs. Angela. Good. No one is here. Now let's do this.
Not again! Fire, 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 fire. Run for your lives! What? Fire again? All right, class. Time to get out of here.
It's the fire alarm. Again. Sorry, class, but we have to get a move on, now.
So, what is it this time?
I don't know. But it better not be a fake fire alarm.
You know, I'm having a feeling it was Classic Kitty. She said she wanted to go to the bathroom. But I knew she would be up to something.
If that little brat thinks that she could just pull the fire alarm to dismiss the whole school, then she's got another thing coming.
Yeah, I agree with Jason. That brat is going to be in serious trouble if we find out that she was the one who pulled the fire alarm.
Oh no! It was another false alarm. I was watching my security cameras when I saw a student named Classic Kitty walking down the hallway and pulling down the fire alarm.
And as for you, Mrs. Troublesome Classic Kitty,
You are coming with me to my office right now.
Meanwhile,
Oh! Classic Kitty! How dare you pull down the fire alarm? The fire alarm is for emergencies only, not a toy. That's it. You're suspended for not 1 week, not 1 month, but for 1 full year, which is 365 days. Now get out of here right now while I call your parents.
when Classic Kitty got home,
Oh! Classic Kitty! We just got a call from the principal saying that you pulled the fire alarm at school. That's it! You are grounded for 243,847,3280 billion decades.
This means no TV, iPad, Roblox, Minecraft, McDonald's, hanging out with friends and more.
go to your room right now and think about what you did. Wah 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 wah.